Camera. There was one stream and she was like doing something. I was like, I wish I could just tell you. Oh, there was like tech issues and stuff.
Oh, so we have a tech issue. Yeah. So many people have said, oh, he's Brandon.
Strict embargo.
Strict embargo.
My mum's always cooking that.
No, that's what I said no.
I think now she said.
Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well. Today, I am not really sure what I'm going to be doing, so I have no idea. We're just gonna roll with it. I have ideas in my head for videos and things, so possibly do this. But yeah, I just feel really like, oh my god, I really just don't want to do anything today. But surprise, surprise, my room's a mess again. Look. Ridiculous. Ridiculous mess. I just really can't be arsed. Really can't be bothered. I just really can't be arsed. I need to set up a background for my Pride videos that I'm going to be filming. So I'm going to do that as well. So... someone send me motivation! Get it. Right, I can't see because I've not got my glasses on, but I can't see to see my glasses. Where are they? Found them! Right, let's get into the cleaning. Hey Google, play Pose by Naomi Smalls.
Alright, Pose by Naomi Smalls. Playing on Spotify.
Hey sweet. Let me introduce her name's Fashion. She's always my plus one. Fashion. And what? Fashion. And what? Anything you should fear. Her name's Fashion. Pose. And try. Pose. Show his back. Hands forward. Pose. Get confident. Pose. Let's try. Pose. Right cheek. Go down. Go up. Pose. Left leg. Pose. Right leg. And try. Go down.
Purse first. Walk to the room. Purse first.
Ow!
Purse first. Walk to the room. Purse first. It is a known fact that a woman do
Carry an evening bag at dinner time.
I don't know why you all gagging. Purse first.
Get one free, is that a better wang down? Girl, I'll take your hand down.
I know it's not a mic. Go put your tea and now you're mad. I'll duck walk on your first bag. I'm feeling quiet.
I just filmed a gay pride video with this makeup look. What do you think? I will link this if you want to watch it. Today was a bit boring in a sense of videos, but I thought that me just being stupid in a vlog might make you guys feel happy, so I hope it did.